Alright, so I'm finally starting on the bumper here. I've set up a little workstation behind the car, as you can see. Now my plan with this is to sand this top bit down where all the damage is, and you can see it's had some filler before on that corner, so there's some quite deep like chips you can kind of see in there and all along here and stuff. So I don't think I'm going to sand it right back. I'm just going to sand it enough to get all the loose bits off, and then I'm just going to fill over it, and I think that should be fine. I don't want to be doing this forever and basically stripping the whole bumper down. So that's my plan for this. For this bottom section, which has this the underseal type stuff, I'm not really sure how to attack that at this point. My two options I'm thinking are either I can just lightly sand it down and then paint it over as it is, but the problem with that is it might not be like the texture might not be matched. So I might look at getting some undersealer and spraying it underneath. I mean, maybe if you guys have any ideas, just post in the comments about how I could do that. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of research on that one. I mean, worst case scenario, I can just paint straight over it and it shouldn't really be that noticeable, but I'd like to make it look good, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to start sanding this top bit now and hopefully get somewhere with that. And I've also got a new camera, which is a GoPro Hero 5 I bought secondhand for a pretty good price, so the footage now should be a lot better than it used to be. So yeah, let's go. I hate seeing shit like this. There's just so many layers of filler and paint and filler and paint. Like, man, you can see there's like 5-6 different colors. Who knows how many times this has been filled? Like, no wonder it's cracking. Even on the other side there's a crack. So fuck. I'm gonna fill it, but I have another bumper and I'm wondering if it's just gonna be easier to repaint that bumper, which is silver, into red. Might actually come out nicer. But I think I'll just stick with this one and just get it done. But fuck, man, I really don't like seeing that kind of thing. And you can see the paint as well is not very well done. You can see how it's spotting up like that. Like, they just really didn't do a very good job of this. But it is what it is, I suppose. So I've finally finished putting the car back together after having sanded the bumper multiple times and doing the, dent and everything. And here's how it's looking. And I'm real happy with that result. I mean, this side of the car actually fits better than the other side of the car. You can see there's a bit of a gap there. But anyway, I've done that side of the bumper as well. So that I'm going to paint it. So yeah, that's it for now. So the next step is going to be to sand the top of the bumper and then paint the whole thing and paint that section of the car as well, which also means I have to sand down that whole panel. I'm going to blend it right down to the door. But for now, that's it. So at least the car's back to being usable and the dent is fixed, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, that's it for now. One other thing I want to show you guys. I got some stickers made, first run of them. Gold ones are exclusive though for members only, but I got the regular ones as well, and they're going to be available on the website soon. So keep an eye on that if you want to get one. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.